Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast sticks without eggs. First, let's explore some fantastic egg substitutes that will give your French toast that perfect texture and taste. We'll focus on creating a rich, flavorful batter that coats your bread beautifully, ensuring every bite is delightful. Preparing your bread correctly is also key for the best results, so we'll cover that too. Now, let's mix up our amazing egg-free batter. In a shallow bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, which acts as our egg substitute. Add a tablespoon of sugar for sweetness, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for that classic French toast flavor. Whisk everything until it's perfectly smooth and lump-free. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Slice your bread into sticks, about 1 1/2 inches wide. Heat a griddle or frying pan over medium heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. Dip each bread stick into the batter, ensuring both sides are well coated, but don't let them soak too long. Place them on the hot pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Once your French toast sticks are cooked to perfection, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them warm, drizzled generously with maple syrup or dusted with powdered sugar. For an extra treat, you can add fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream. These delicious, egg-free French toast sticks are perfect for a quick breakfast or a delightful snack. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.